everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from zenpop.jp. Go there, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Nissin Men Shokunin Yuzu Shio. I'm not a big fan of Yuzu, but we'll see. I do like Shio. And it mentions a lot of good things in their copy about it, so maybe those things will override the whole Yuzu deal. I don't know. Grapefruity citrus ramen just doesn't make me go, hey, sign me up. Make me some pudding out of that. So here is our noodle block. It's a primo noodle block. I really like this range. I just don't know that I'll really like this flavor. And then we've got this, you know, it's pretty light. I guess I can put it on top now. No, I'm gonna wait till the end. 4 minutes, right? 4 minutes. 4 minutes? Yes, and for our remedial lesson, see that? If you get a Japanese variety, that's the amount of water, and that little number above is the amount of time, and the one at the bottom, that's the calories. That's kind of a thing you see with Yuzu sometimes too, that it's like lower cal. I don't know why, but yeah. Citrus noodle. It's not my cup of noodles. Cheers. So today, it's Wednesday. Once I'm done with this, I'll get everything ready, or everything cleaned up. Lots of stuff to do around the house for tidying. So I need to do is tidy. Tidy cat, tidy bowl, tidy whitey. I'm gonna get all the review stuff done. Possibly get 4 more. Yeah, I'll get 4 more reviews ready to go, and maybe do some laundry. That's the nice thing to do. Find something fun to do with the kids. They really like going and taking the trash out. That's like their thing. Walking around the block. I don't know today. Definitely not doing that if there's a thunderstorm. Oh yeah, I did a video of the moon going over last night. Came out alright. I did it in 4K, and I just realized that every episode today I've been recording has been in 4K. What's jacked up too is I kept getting these email things saying that my Gmail storage was full, and I'm like, why? I barely get any Gmail. I don't even use the Gmail. Every episode that I recorded on this stupid phone was syncing to my Gmail account. So it's like I looked at it, I was like, what's going on? And it's like, your storage is full. Do you want to pay for storage? I'm like, no. You want to clean up your storage? Yeah. Large files. Okay. Look, it's me. It's me doing Instant Noodle Recipe Time. There were like 70 episodes. I'm like, So I figured out how to turn off the photo and video syncing. So that's good. I should not get another one of those emails for about 50 years. In the year 2072. When all the cheese of the world has been used up by the Gnossians, and the trees now sing sweet songs about, I don't know. I don't know what it's going on. Are you in the year 2072? I know you're in December, and it's August right now for me. But, yeah, God, it's crazy. I'm almost 150 reviews ahead. I think I released 4,227 today, and this will be review 4,370. So I'm almost there. Because I have a plan to take some time off of doing this. Because I'm going to go crazy. Not from doing this, but I'm gonna like. I got COVID in January and really started to gain a lot of weight, and now my plan is to get back on track. Gotta get back on track and do a whole bunch of walking and dieting, and my kids will be in school 5 days of the week starting at the end of this month. So I am going to get as many reviews and stuff done before that happens. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I am going on hiatus. For the most part, I mean, it really doesn't matter. You're not gonna notice any difference because, you know, I'm that far ahead. I could take like almost 6 months. Oh, wait. Oh, it's not open all the way. Oh, what a pain in the butt this is. But yeah, it's like the weather's been taunting me. Yesterday, it was like in the mid-60s all day, nice and cloudy. Perfect weather for a guy who's light sensitive to go out hoofing around. As soon as my wife gets home, sky opens up, nice and bright and sunny, goes up to almost 80 degrees. I'm like, damn you, Mother Nature. Damn you to hell. Alright, so we got our Yuzu people are really into the Yuzu, I guess. Wow. That's a tough one for me. I don't know if I like that or dislike it. I'm leaning towards I really, really dislike it, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to give it another try. It's like kind of smoked. I'm definitely getting a smoked, like, not bonito, but definitely like a smoked fish thing going on. It's very odd. Look out, friend. Miles is out there playing and yelling at his tablet, saying, "Look out, friends. Look out. They're coming to get you." He keeps talking about shooting things in his games, too. I'm like, don't shoot anybody. They don't like that anymore. Is this my favorite thing ever? No. Is it alright? Nah. It's Shio. Get some chicken on top. I can make tasty chicken. You like the chicken? I like the chicken. But the broth? Just not feeling it. Oh my. Well, about time for me to call it a good one. Uh-oh. It's my wife. There's been some strange things going on at her thing. I won't get into it. Maybe it's someday. But not good. Unsettling. Hopefully that is a message saying that they figured that out. Here we are. Some shichimi. I don't know what to tell you about this one, folks. It's just not my thing. Let it rotate. Not much else to do. It doesn't make me smile. It doesn't make me happy. Oh, it's gonna fall over. You don't wanna fall over. Say, look at the chicken, funky, weird, citrusy, a little bit smoky. Meow. That's kinda weird. I don't think I liked it really much. No. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and somehow my camera light just got turned on. But, yeah, I don't yeah, bye-bye.